Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. It's your girl Anna here, and today I wanted to share with you guys a what I eat in a day video vlog style featuring Tokyo. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm not like super strict with my diet or anything. I do try to get like a healthy amount of vegetables in my diet just to keep the digestive system smooth. But other than that, I kind of usually just eat whatever I'm feeling like. Unless it's donuts, then I do try to not always eat donuts when I'm feeling like it, which would be every day. Other than that, I'm not too strict with my diet, so I wanted to share with you guys kind of a real what I eat in a day. Today I am going to be using Sarah's Days Sunee app. I wish this was sponsored, but it's not. I just have been loving her app, and it's super convenient to have all of these healthy recipes in one place. So I'll be sharing with you some of those. Other than that, I'm off to handstand class first, do a little bit of grocery shopping, maybe work on a little bit of editing, go to the Apple store because my MacBook has been driving me insane, and then I'm going to this Louis Vuitton exhibit with a friend, and then walking around town, maybe do some shopping, maybe grab some snacks, and then making some exciting dinner with her. So stay tuned. I hope you guys like this video. Let's get into it. I went to my handstand class, I went to the grocery store, I went to the farmer's market, I did a little bit of yoga, and we are back. I am starving. I guess this is a brunch, but I'm making the Sunee In a Rush rainbow salad. It's super easy, I've made it before, and I really like it. So right now I'm boiling some water, and I'm gonna put a little bit of pasta in there. I'm gonna chop some garlic now, and slice some tomatoes and chop my kale. And I think that'll be all the prep. And then we just basically have to throw everything on a frying pan. So let's get chopping. Pasta is done, and then I just have some truffle bread baking in the toaster right now. So once I have that ready, I'll just pop that on top and enjoy my lunch. Okay, I think I'm a little bit underdressed for this weather. It's like 20 degrees out, so I might be a little bit cold, but I wanted to wear this bag because I'm going to a Louis Vuitton event, and I like this dress, so it's a little summery, but hopefully I don't freeze. I'll cover my feet with sneakers and we should be good. I have my MacBook with me here. Hopefully next time I see you, I'll be having snacks. Bye! everyone, it's Donuts with Katie. What are you gonna get?
I'm getting sea salt caramel and Kyoto Uji matcha.
I'm gonna get Sakura and maple bacon. Yummy! The sea salt caramel, Sakura, maple bacon, and Uji matcha.
Yum. Lovely face.
Perfection.
Perfection.
You got the salty and the sweet. It's so good. This is the second best donut in the world.
What's the first one?
It's this Nutella filled cronut that I found in Greece on an island called Paros. That was the best. This is second best.
So, number one in Japan.
Number one in Japan for sure. Why am I so cute when I eat donuts?
It's so mochi mochi and very fluffy.
Is it the best donut in the world?
I'm not a donut snob, but it is quite good.
I guess I'm a donut snob. Okay, after many hours of shopping and 9,000 plus steps of walking, we are finally making dinner. We are making the sun-dried tomato and mushroom risotto from the Sunee app. Yes. Dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian. Not that we are any of these things, but love that for us. 1/4 cup is not a lot.
No.
Not like that. That's it? Okay, whatever. I'll just do the whole thing. That's 1 cup. And then the porcini mushroom, which we don't have porcini mushroom. We have maitake.
Maitake. Oh my gosh, so pungent. These cloves are really big. It's got a lot of garlic.
Wow, you're really slow at putting this. Good evening, everyone. This is Katie. Don't forget to keep an eye out on my YouTube channel for the full video. So we've put onion, garlic, the rice, and white wine, and we're stirring it. Next, we need to add the chicken stock. The vegetable stock. Mushrooms are being cooked until they're golden brown. The risotto is being cooked, adding vegetable broth until it gets absorbed, adding half a cup each time. And now I'm about to make the creamy sauce with our soaked cashews. This is not turning creamy.
You need more.
I need a food processor is what I need. This is not working so well because, first of all, this looks like really little amount of cream, and also it's like really clumpy. And how much sun-dried tomato? We will eyeball it.
Does it make a noise?
No. Okay, zucchini is ready. Risotto is just being heated back up. We are watching the Netflix documentary on the college admissions scandal. And we're so hungry and tired and ready to eat.
Look how yummy!
We finally have food! Yay. I have no idea how the zucchini turned out. And this is a fully vegetarian meal. It's like very accidental.
The risotto is really good.
I'm gonna try the zucchini. I have less confidence in the zucchini.
Oh, it's perfect like texture.
I think the flavoring is good on the top, but it doesn't like go through to the bottom. I would say zucchini's like could be improved.
But it goes well with risotto.
Yeah. Let me try the risotto. I love risotto. That's yummy. We're gonna finish this. Maybe have some chocolate for dessert. Katie's already been having truffles. And then probably call it a night. It's already almost 9. But thank you so much for following us around today. Let us know what you thought of this video. and what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave us a comment below for what you want to see next time. I will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a beautiful morning, afternoon, or night, wherever you are. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys!